What we're going to do today is be making a cheese that genuinely is as good as the dairy version. We've got 500 grams of tap water. We've got our ground almonds, so that's 100 grams. Level teaspoon of sea salt. The dextrose powder, 3 level teaspoons of those. Try and hit straight to the bottom of the bag. Start squeezing from the top and get as much of that out as possible. 15 grams of apple cider vinegar, and you just put it in. So just give it a gentle shake like that, put this in the fridge and leave it. The ricotta curd, it simply gets packed into here. And you'll be left with this. Wonderful.